Welcome back to GL Tech Ramblings. Whether you are new to Semantic Kernel or seeking to deepen your knowledge, today's session covers, in my opinion, the best resources for learning. So, let's get started. First, I would like to start with the documentation website. I recommend to read through the sections and practice them. This getting started is pretty well done. This is the one I follow for the quick start video earlier. And yeah, you will get hands-on experience and get a grasp on the different concepts of semantic kernel. That's a very good place to go in first place. Second, I would like to recommend the Semantic Kernel blog. This is where you can learn additional information which is not covered on the documentation and catch up very fast with the updates. Next is the official Semantic Kernel Discord, where the team and the community will be happy to give you a hand. There are also very valuable discussions on how to do some concrete things that are gold. Next, I recommend you to go to the code itself. This is located in GitHub, and essentially the code does not lie, and if you are curious like I am, you can dig and learn how a component is working and what are the limitations right at the source. To note, a special folder, which you should go every now and then, is located inside .NET, in samples, and then kernel syntax examples. Everything in there is working and up to date with the latest version. They are nothing but tests at the moment, and everything is working, and there are several examples for quite a lot of scenarios. So you want to do anything, the first thing I would do is go here. If you want agents, for example, these from 70 to 75, they are really, really good. And another one. The Semantic Kernel team is organizing a weekly office hours where they are providing insights and have an open conversation with the community. Check it out. And if you want to recap the previous office hours, you can find them on our last resource of today, Alex Chow's YouTube channel. He is from the Semantic Kernel team and is gathering and posting the office hours and some other very interesting content regarding Semantic Kernel. That said, I will leave all the links on the video description. That's our roundup of Semantic Kernel key resources. The Semantic Kernel world is constantly evolving, so there's always more to discover. Keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and insights, and hit like.